Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You should start with the essentials. Update iPad OS and grant camera, microphone, and photos access so apps can save clips. Open camera, switch to video, rotate iPad to vertical 9:16 and set duration 1560 seconds. This aligns with YouTube Shorts requirements. Once done, lock AE/AF and tap to set exposure, then stabilize with a tripod or steady surface. This prevents jitter. Use the rear lens for higher quality. If you need close-ups, pinch to zoom slowly so the frame stays smooth. You'll edit on the iPad using iMovie, LumaFusion, or CapCut for precise control. Import your vertical clips, then trim to the strongest 1560-second section. Shorter is usually more engaging. Once trimmed, add jump cuts to tighten pacing, place text overlays for captions, and sync a music track to beats. This improves retention. Make sure to color correct for consistent skin tones and normalize audio so volume stays steady. Finally, export using H.264 or HEVC at 30 fps to balance. You must upload through the YouTube app. Tap Create, select your vertical clip, and add a clear title with #shorts so the algorithm recognizes format. Once added, include captions and set audience to not made for kids. Choose tags and a playlist to boost discovery. Make sure your thumbnail shows a readable frame. If upload fails, try reconnecting Wi-Fi, reduce export bitrate, or re-export as MP4H.264. And if problems persist, clear the app cache or restart the iPad. Those steps fix most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.